Hello everyone, welcome to Sernan's. Oh wait, I need something. Today I'm going to unbox this one. Okay, here we go. Oh, need to try here. Okay. Oh, first the pen drive. 32 gig. I brought it together with this. Okay. This is 4G LTE hotspot router. Why is upside down? Why is flip around? Something. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's at the front side, nothing. Okay, here we go. Okay, it comes with the cable, instruction manual in no English. Oh my god. Hold on a sec. See, all in Chinese. Oh crap. Okay, put aside. Now here is the modem. It says only regular SIM, micro SIM, nano SIM. Okay, you write in Chinese everything. Going to ta-da. It looks like this. It comes with 5 volt 1 ampere of in. This one is in. This one is at the back. And here we go. The SIM card insert is the full size SIM card. I just removed from here. And oh, like that. Let's try turn on and see what it got. Looks like nothing. Hold on. Oh, I can see the red thing. Oh, it just connected and battery is not showing yet. And let's try it out for a while. Okay, I'm going to connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, it says GB3-XXXX on the back, but this one is GB3 underscore 6FA. Going to connect it. Oh my god, the password is so easy. Let's join it. Successfully connected. Okay, let's see instruction for a while. It says go to 192.168.100.1. 192.168.100.1. Okay, it says the password is admin and the username is admin. Wait, admin login, save. Okay, only one user is using, only me. Going to set connection mode, network selection, APN settings. Okay, manual dial up, automatic dial up. When I see 4G settings, network selection. Only 4G. Yes, I can set only 4G. Very good. It's better than my old portable broadband. Whoa. Let's do some speed test for a while. Let's see how good it is. Where's the speed test app? I think it gone somewhere else. Hold on, I'm going to download speed test. But I already installed actually. Here we go. I'm going to put at good place. Right here. Here we go. Okay. 12 meg, 10 meg, 7 meg, 8 meg, around 9 meg. Okay, around 3 meg. Come on, it will hit 4 meg as soon as possible. I get 3.7 meg at best. Okay, I'm going to try again. Put at another side a bit. Okay, here we go. Ping is a little higher than usual. Okay, around 12 meg, 11 meg, 12 meg, 11 meg, or 11.5 meg. Okay, now is around 6 meg, 7 meg. At best around 7 meg, I guess. Okay, here's the result. This one is the first result, and this one is second result. Second result is much better than first result. Okay, that's all for the review and speed test, and thank you for watching.